today we're talking about keyword chips in Scrivener 3 for Windows. Now, if you've been following along, you'll remember that there was a little thing called keyword chips that we ignored when looking at the corkboard options. Ignore it no more. Keyword chips relate to the keywords we talked about last time, and keyword chips are small coloured markers on your index cards to indicate the keywords selected for that item. Of course, you're never going to remember the colours for 15 different keywords. That's not a problem. Just hover your mouse over the chips and you'll see what they stand for. Under the corkboard options, you can select how many to show, which tops out at 15. But there's an all option too, so not really. There's no 0 though. But what if you don't want any keyword chips to appear? You just want keywords in the inspector. Then go to View, Corkboard Options and deselect Keyword Colours. Next time we'll be customising our labels.